In the wake of the tragic plane crash that killed Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar in Baramati, opposition leaders have united in demanding a thorough independent probe, many specifically calling for Supreme Court supervision. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee led the charge, expressing deep shock and alleging that all other agencies have been completely compromised, insisting only the Supreme Court can uncover the truth amid hints of Pawar's possible political realignment. Her demand drew strong backing from prominent figures including Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who described the crash as shocking and untimely, questioned why did this happen to a small plane, and supported a full investigation. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who called Banerjee's call justified, citing past VIP accidents, and Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury, who also pushed for proper scrutiny. Banerjee highlighted concerns over safety for even ruling establishment leaders, while Kharge and others emphasized the need to probe the circumstances without politicization. The BJP responded sharply, criticizing the remarks as insensitive and demanding a similar Supreme Court monitored probe into the Nazirabad warehouse fire in Kolkata on January 26, which killed at least 8. The DGCA and Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau have launched an official probe with the black box recovered for analysis. No foul play confirmed so far.